What makes the Skoda OEM Host unique? For Skoda owners, upgrading in-car infotainment often involves a trade-off. Third-party head units offer flashy features but may clash with the vehicle's original design, while basic factory systems lack modern connectivity. The Skoda OEM Host redefines this balance. It combines authentic factory integration, cutting-edge connectivity, and user-centric engineering, tailored for Skoda's design and technical architecture. 1. Factory-style integration. Beyond aesthetics, into system synergy, the Skoda OEM Host stands out for its OEM-grade cohesion. It communicates seamlessly with Skoda's CAN bus, enabling real-time data synchronization. Physically, it adheres to Skoda's clean panel design, with a display angle that reduces glare and a UI skin matching the native software. 2. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, low-latency connectivity. Reimagined in the era of cordless convenience, this system uses a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 module and Bluetooth 5.2 to reduce latency. It offers seamless handover between wireless and wired modes and supports multi-device memory. The Wi-Fi module uses MIMO technology for smooth data handling. 3. 15-minute DIY wireless reversing camera. Plug-and-play engineering. The self-installable wireless reversing camera is a user-centric innovation. It has Skoda-specific plug-and-play connectivity, a waterproof rating, and a wide-angle lens. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no professional tools. 4. 360-degree reversing camera. Precision through advanced optics and algorithms. The optional 360-degree reversing camera system uses dynamic perspective correction and real-time trajectory mapping. It stitches camera feeds into a 3D bird's eye view and provides dynamic trajectory lines for safe parking. In a market full of generic infotainment upgrades, the Skoda OEM Host prioritizes authenticity and technical precision. It integrates features into the vehicle's DNA, enhancing the driving experience without sacrificing the original Skoda feel. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a daily driver, the Skoda OEM Host proves that OEM can be future-ready.